Hey, this is CJ the Traveling Man. I want to say hello to everybody and thank you for joining me, yes, on this tour across Kentucky. And remember, I am going to be the first and one and only of your lifetime. CJ the Traveling Man, gonna travel to every city, town, and village. Yes, every city, town, and village. And I definitely want to let you know we stopped here in Draffenville, Kentucky. I want to say hello to everybody in Draffenville, Kentucky. This is CJ the Traveling Man. Spread the word. Let your mama, your daddy, your brother, your cousin, your uncle, and also spread it on butter on top of your toast. So other than that, put your toast, spread the butter, and spread the word that CJ the Traveling Man is going to be the first ever in your lifetime in every city, town, and village. So other than that, there's people checking me out. So other than that, spread the word, and we're on our way to the next town. This is CJ the Traveling Man signing out. Peace.